If I had to start over today, here's what I would do. First thing I would do, if I lost everything tomorrow, my job, my money, my house, everything, what would I do first? Well, most people think I would tell you to go make money, start a business, get another job, work harder. Nope. I've already learned this lesson by getting a good job, making a lot of money. If I have to start over again, first thing I'm going to rebuild, not the bank account, would be myself. Here's what I know now. You can lose your money, you can lose your marriage, your career, your health. Till you rebuild this dude looking at you in the mirror, nothing else matters, because that's what happened to me. There was a time when I had money, power, businesses, a beautiful wife, a huge home, money. Also had bad habits. I drank every day. I was heavy on insulin, excuses. I lost everything. For a while, I thought the answer was getting my old life back. Totally wrong. Answer is not trying to get your old life back. Answer is becoming a better man than who lost his life. So when I started to change, started walking, changed how I ate, stopped blaming everyone else, started taking ownership of every decision that I made, little by little, my confidence came back, lost about 70 pounds. My health has improved dramatically, building an online business because that's my life purpose now. I never had peace like this before. Here's the beautiful part. None of that required me to be perfect. Just required me to be a little bit better than I was yesterday. So if you're starting over today, don't ask yourself, how do I get my old life back? No. What kind of person do I need to become to have a better life than I had? Get up every day and say that, change your life. Might just change your life forever. If you're ready to stop looking backwards and building forward, type I'm in so I can see you following along with me. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over. And for as little as $50 a week, I can help you start. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you more than you know. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.